Hey friends, if you encounter this issue where you can't play a Bluetooth keyboard and the error is check the pin and try connecting again, then the solution is very tough, but here's what you can do. Open the registry editor, search for the registry editor in the Windows search bar and open it. Now go to the key hkey underscore users dot default software Microsoft Windows current version Bluetooth and exception DB. If you find it, many users might not even find Bluetooth and exception DB. Now under exception DB, if you find the ADDRS folder, right click on it and delete it so that all its entries are deleted, and then restart your computer and try again. Now if you don't find this folder, then what can you do? There's nothing that you can do other than a cloud reset, but a cloud reset will delete all data on your system, so you have to be aware about that. If you wish to perform a cloud reset, right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select recovery, click on reset PC, select remove everything, and then select cloud download here. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.